All right, guys, we got a 2012 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Again. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after. Here's sound decibels again. It's right at 90. We'll let you guys hear it after. We're going to do a muffler delete and tip. All right, guys, we got a 2012 Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. What we got done on it, factory converter, and then it comes true dual from the factory. Secondary converter's there. Then it goes into this resonator that we didn't take off because he didn't want it too loud, but he might come back and take it off and put some vibrance in its place. We'll see. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And then we put some fat 4-inch tips out the back to finish it off, to make it look extra clean and nice. Fill out that gap nicely. Fill up the gap nicely. There's the 2 rear mufflers that were on it that we cut off. Right there, you can see the tips are tiny before. It just looks a lot cleaner with bigger tips. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for those tips. Perfect. That is clean. Again? Yeah, don't take that resonator off. It's clean. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again? That's perfect. Rear muffler delete, 4-inch tips. Those tips fitted perfect here. They're clean. Man, that is so deep. I like it. The sound is deep. Got the stripes. Let you guys hear on the inside. Cadillac CTS 3.6 liter. What we got done on it, muffler delete and 4-inch tips. Yeah, baby. That sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys.